Namaste everyone, it's me Rukmeti Shrestha. Welcome to Learning Nepali and welcome back to our new lesson video. Today we are going to learn two very important writing skills. First is Patra Lekhan. Patra Lekhan, which means letter writing. Next is Prativedan Lekhan. Prativedan Lekhan, which is report writing. According to stylistics, which means Shaili Vigyan, language changes depending on the situation. So, we use different writing styles in different situations. For example, for official work, we use formal style. For daily talk, we use spoken style. And for creative writings, we use literature style. But today we will focus on formal writing skill, that is letter writing and report writing. Let's start from letter writing, which means Patra Lekhan. We use letters for request, information, leave applications or complaint. Letter writing is usually part of formal style, which means Aupacharik Shaili in school or offices. There are two types of letters, which is Aupacharik Patra, which means formal letter, and Anaupacharik letter, which is informal letter. Aupacharik Patra ra Anaupacharik Patra. Formal letters are polite, respectful, structured, and clear. We do not use emotional or casual words. So, how to write? Kasari lekhne? Step by step. First is date, which means miti. Write date at top, which we say miti in Nepali. Second is write the receiver name, which we say prapak. Prapak. Third is subject, which means Bisaya. Bisaya in Nepali. Write the short topic of the letter. And next step is body, which is Mukhya Bhag. Mukhya Bhag of letter. In here you explain the reason, request or message. And at the last step is closing. Antya. Antya. End it with the words like thank you or yours sincerely in Nepali, Dhanyabad or Hajurko. Now let's look at a simple example of Nepali letter. So I will read it out for you. Miti 2082 एक महिना 8 गते प्रति प्रधानाध्यापक ज्यू श्री जनता माध्यमिक विद्यालय काठमाडौँ विषय विधा सम्बन्धमा निवेदन आदरणीय सर म्याम म यस विद्यालयको कक्षा 10 मा अध्ययनरत विद्यार्थी हुँ म अस्वस्थ भएको कारण विद्यालय आउन असमर्थ छु त्यसैले मलाई 2 दिनको बिदा प्रदान गरिदिनु हुन विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछु भव्य राम बहादुर थापा कक्षा 10 This was the simple letter example for you. This letter is formal because polite words are used, clear structure is followed, and it is for school authority. Here is also a simple example of informal letter and I will read it for you. प्रिय साथी म भोलि स्कुल आउँदिन किनकि म बिरामी छु तिम्रो साथी राम This is casual and spoken style. Prativedan Lekhan, which means report writing. We use reports to describe events, give information or present facts. Report writing is formal, factual, structured and objective. How to write? Kasari lekhte. Let's learn step by step. Title, which means Shirsak. Shirsak. Write the name of the event. Second step is introduction, which means Parichaya. Parichaya. Write what the report is about. Next is main body, which is Mukhya Bhag. Mukhya Bhag. Here you explain when it happened, where it happened, what happened, and who participated. And at last, there is conclusion. We say Niskarsa. Niskarsa. And you write the final result. Now, I will show you the example of simple report writing in Nepali. And this is the example. मिति 2082 1 महिना 8 गते. शीर्षक वार्षिक कार्यक्रम प्रतिवेदन परिचय. श्री जनता माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा वार्षिक कार्यक्रम 2082 साल वैशाख 7 गते शुक्रबार सम्पन्न भयो. मुख्य भाग. कार्यक्रम विद्यालयको प्राङ्गणमा बिहान 10 बजे सुरु भयो. प्रधानाध्यापकले कार्यक्रमको उद्घाटन गर्नुभयो. विद्यार्थीहरूले गीत, नृत्य र भाषण प्रतियोगितामा भाग लिए. शिक्षक तथा अभिभावकहरूको उपस्थिति रहेको थियो. निष्कर्ष. कार्यक्रम शान्तिपूर्ण रूपमा सफलतापूर्वक सम्पन्न भयो. प्रतिवेदक सीता मगर, कक्षा 10. This is report writing because it's based on the fact there are no emotion used. It's structured and formal. शैली विज्ञानसँग सम्बन्ध. Stylistic link. शैली विज्ञानसँग सम्बन्ध. This stylistic teaches us language changes depending on the different situations. So, letter is about information. It can be formal and informal. Report is about factual information and it's in formal style. And speech is casual spoken style. To conclude, Patra Lekhan is used for communication and it's formal and polite. Prativedan Lekhan is used to describe facts and event or give information and it's structured and factual. And stylistics helps us to choose the correct writing styles in correct situation. This was the end of our today's lesson. I hope now you can write simple letter in Nepali and also report in Nepali. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can visit our website for private classes, or you can comment down the next topic that you wanna learn. So until next time, धन्यवाद.